So why do so many network marketers recommend WordPress for building your blog? Hi guys, Chef Katrina here, and today we're talking a little bit about WordPress and why it is the #1 recommended platform to use when building your MLM blog. The reason for this is that it really is a plug-and-play system. This is keeps you from having to learn all this really intricate coding and HTML and all this language that I really didn't even have time for when I first started blogging. So the confusion usually comes in is that when you Google WordPress, you'll come across a site called WordPress.com. Well, WordPress.com is a blogging platform. It's already pretty much done for you in a lot of respects. The thing is that as a network marketer, they really don't like us. Because too many times, and we all know this happens, we get really excited and we start talking about our opportunity, our products, our service. Some of us start making some outlandish claims about financial profits and so forth, and WordPress.com doesn't like that, so they tend to typically shut us down. They call that multi-level marketing. They call that a pyramid scheme. Anything that has to do with that, they really don't like you. So then what is it that all the gurus are promoting if when you search WordPress.com is what you get, but that's not what they're talking about? So here's where some of the clarification comes in, and even tonight I'm going to be hosting a WordPress for network marketers on why you should build your blog. It's just going to be an open training about WordPress, why we use it, how you implement it, and really what it is that the gurus are talking about when they say you should be using WordPress to build your blog. What it is they really want you to go out and just purchase a domain name, which I recommend through Namecheap. From there, you're going to end up getting your hosting site, which I recommend is JustHost. That's my preferred hosting site for me. And then from there, we install what we call the WordPress platform. So when you install WordPress or WordPress theme or WordPress into your site, that's where a lot of the confusion comes in. This is where a lot of the technical issues come into play, and this is where some people just go like, I don't understand, like, how am I building a blog using this WordPress on this free hosting site? Can you explain a little bit more? So tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I've actually opened a Google Hangout. We're going to take live Q&A for the full hour that I'm on there. So any questions that you have about WordPress, about setting up your blog, we're going to go into the back office of a WordPress site. You guys are actually going to see the behind the scenes look at my WordPress site. I'm going to go through some of the terminology, some of the pieces that I think a lot of people are just scratching their head over going, I don't understand how this works, and really kind of clear out some of the confusion and clutter out there. But it is recommended to have a WordPress site for your blog, really, because it is a plug and play. You can add things to your blog, you can really customize it for yourself, and that's really what makes it so easy and versatile to use as a network marketer. So I'm looking forward to having you guys on tonight. Again, it's at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link is right below this video inside this blog post. So if you're viewing this from anywhere else, make sure you click on the link, head over to this blog post, and get registered for tonight. It's going to be a lot of fun. And the more questions you bring, the more that we get to interact. I think it's just going to be just a really amazing training for you guys. So, looking forward to seeing you tonight, and have a great evening. Make sure, all you got to do is just make sure you sign up. That's all you have to do. There's no crazy confusion. There's no opt-in form, nothing like that. All you got to do is just say that you're going to be there to view, and I look forward to having you guys on tonight. So, get ready to learn a little bit more about WordPress and how to utilize it best for your network blog. Talk to you guys soon.